Wind is one of the biggest environmental factors that affects tower crane operations. Unlike ground equipment, tower cranes work at great heights where wind speed is usually much stronger and more unpredictable. When wind increases, it pushes against the load in the long horizontal jib of the crane. This can cause the load to sway, rotate, or drift away from the intended path. Even a light load can become difficult to control because wind acts on its surface area, not just its weight. Strong wind also affects the crane itself. The higher the crane, the more exposed it is. Gusts can cause movement in the structure, making precise positioning harder and increasing stress on components. Lifts become especially dangerous when large or flat objects are involved, such as panels, formwork, or long beams. These act like sails, catching the wind and swinging unexpectedly. That is why tag, lines, and careful coordination are often required during windy conditions. Communication becomes critical as wind increases. The operator must work closely with signalers to control speed and timing. Movements are usually slower and more deliberate to prevent sudden swings. There is a limit to what is safe. Every tower crane has a maximum wind speed for operation. When wind exceeds that limit, lifting must stop. Continuing to work in high winds risks loss of control, structural stress, and serious accidents. When the crane is not in operation, it is often left in a free slewing position, sometimes called weather vane mode. This allows the crane to rotate with the wind instead of resisting it, reducing stress on the structure. Wind may be invisible, but its effect at height is powerful. Safe crane operation depends on constant awareness of weather conditions and the discipline to stop when limits are reached. Thanks for watching Rab's Crane.